Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.Shafiq bin Abdul Razak. My metric number is 01DAD19F2029. I am from DJJ40182. Our group is Group 5. And our group title is Portable Electric Car Jack. Our supervisor name is Puan Nur Hayati binti Muhammad. So I will present about our project first. So firstly is introduction to project. Nowadays, every car owner should have a car jack, and it is extremely beneficial when car tire leaks and break. A jack is a mechanical lifting device that can be used to apply significant force or lift massive object. The manual jack provided from the factory origin is a small working stroke. Besides, a lot of energy is required and a low efficiency of the device requires a long time to mount. This causes a lot of time waste and very tiring. With this, we want to help users by creating a convenient tool that is an electric car jack as our project. The next is background of problem. In the era of globalization, car electric jacks are the best way to lift the car. Similarly with our project or initiative. We got the idea by helping people in trouble because we found the manufacturers provide jacks that are quite difficult to use for the elderly and women. We also found that the old type of jack take very long time to be used and also use very much energy. In this study, we need to study the type of jack available in the market and system that needs to be used to succeed in this project. In the conclusion, this project can be used by all societies regardless of gender. I will pass the next slide to other group members.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Badrul Amin bin Muhammad Noor, and my registration number is 01DD19F2052. Problem statement. First, the normal manual car jack is very tiring to use. Second, the present type jack available right now is hard to be used by women and elderly people. Third, the old type of jack take very long time to be used and also use very much energy. Objective: to design electric machine to make the use of manual car jack easier. Second, to develop hybrid jack system. Third, to make a jack that can be used by everyone. Scope of project. First, for everyone who need it. Second, main focus on car workshop mechanic. Third, small or big workshop. Expected result. The first is everyone can use manual jack by themselves. Second, minimize the time to jack a car. Third, get the same result as normal car jack. Fourth, women and elderly can use the jack easily.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Rosdin. I'm from the AD4B and my registration number is 01DAD19F2028. Now I want to present about project topic. How was it determined? Project topic consists of four parts. That is from the problem statement and from the survey that have been done. Project selection, make research to solve the problem and make comparison on existing tools or car jacks. Make improvement to solve the problem. So the next slide is the customer requirement. Customer requirement have two types, which is you need electric jack that is easy to use, and they consider the safety of the jack. And so many people agree in the two type customer requirement, which is electric jack easy to use and consider the safety of the jack. And next about do you need warranty and do you need tutorial how to use it. And so many people need a warranty and tutorial how to use it, the jack, the hydraulic jack. So the next is house of quality. House of quality have three types, that is user need, range and technical or solution. User need have a function, quality, safety and cost. Range have important, very important, most important and less important. Technical or solution has reliable, adjustable, heavy duty and lifetime. Function so reliable and have a adjustable, can do adjustable and can work in heavy duty. Quality is reliable and heavy duty. Safety is reliable, heavy duty and lifetime. Cost is less important and reliable. And the last one is morpho-legal chart. Morpho-legal chart have a three type design, that is jack, machine, adapter from a different design and just a one design we choose to build for the project.
My name is M.Shafiq bin Abdul Razak, my matric number 01-19F2029. For the individual design concept, sketch and drawing. On the first picture, it shows the normal type of scissor jack that I would like to use. And the middle one is the grinder that have been modified. And the third one is the adapter that fits into the grinder and assembled into the normal scissor jack. Next is individual design concept, product 3. For the portable electric car jack, the jack is, I use a normal type of scissor jack that support a maximum of 3 ton. For the machine, I use a grinder that have been modified, that I add a welded hexagon head alloy steel size 17 mm. The bottom is the picture of the bowl. For the adapter, I use a size 17 mm socket that is welded with U-shaped steel. And for the individual design concept, materials, I will use carbon steel. Carbon steel is a steel with carbon content from 0.05 up to 2.1%. With the definition of carbon steel from the American Iron Steel Institute state is no minimum content is specified or required for chromium, cobalt, uranium, nickel, niobium, titanium, tungsten, vanadium, zirconium, or any other element to be added to obtain a desired alloying effect. The specific minimum for copper does not exceed 0.40%, or the maximum content specific for the following element does not exceed the percentage note. The next is alloy steel. Alloy steel is a steel that is alloyed with a variety of elements in total amount between 1% and 50% by weight to improve its mechanical properties. Alloy steel are broken down into two groups, low alloy steel and high alloy steel. The difference between the two is dispute. Smith and Hershey define the difference at 4.0%, while the Degarmo define it at 8.0%. Most commonly, the phrase alloy steel refer to low alloy steel. Individual design concept, tools and technology for fabrication. I will use arc welding machine and rod. It is used to weld a nut head size 17 mm to the grinder. Used to weld carbon steel to make U-shaped carbon steel tools. Used to weld 17 mm socket and U-shaped steel. L-square ruler steel. Used to make measurement before cutting the steel. Grinder machine. Used to cutting steel for making parts and also used as a project tools. The last is drill machine. Used to make a hole on U-shape to spill. Individual design concept, tools and technology for testing and expected result. The test is lifting test. We will use the project machine to lift the car up, and the expected result is the car is lift up smoothly without any problem. The next test is hydraulic press. The test with maximum load, which is 3 tons to the scissor jack. Expected result is the scissor jack is able to withstand with the load imposed. Individual design concept. Project cost estimation cable. For the material scissor jet. Number 1, estimate cost is RM125. The next is grinder machine, 1 unit, RM25. Carbon steel flat bar, 1 feet, RM4.50 per feet. Alloy steel, 1 feet, RM6 per feet. Nut and bolt, 1 set, RM1.30. Rod for well, 20 pieces, come in a box, RM10.70. The total is RM172.50.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan Mirosdin. I'm from DJJ4B and my registration number is 01DAD19F2028. Now I will present about individual design concept, sketch and drawing. Sketch or drawing. Sketch or drawing have 3 types, which is jack, adapter and machine. The next slide is individual design concept. Product 3. Product 3, portable car jack electric. Function of jack is use type car floor jack and support maximum 3 times. Function for machine is use electricity. Function for adapter, use a handle can pump in and out. And the next slide is materials. I use 2 materials, the iron plate and alloy steel. The iron plate is a material that can be made by a smelting iron or in a furnace. When smelt in a furnace for a second time, iron plates will transform into steel plates with a ratio of 5 iron plates per 1 steel plate. Alloy steel is steel that is alloyed with a variety of elements in total amount between 1.0% and 50% by weight to improve in mechanical properties. Alloy steels are broken down into 2 groups, low alloy steels and high alloy steels. Tools and technologies for fabrication. MIG and TIG welding, used for welding iron plate to make base, used for a welding alloy. Grinder, used for cutting any steels. Tools and technologies for testing and expected result. Lifting test, use the project machine to lift car up. Expected result, the car is lift up smoothly without any problem. The last one is project cost estimation table. Project cost estimation, I have 2 screw, 2 bolt, 1 floor jack, 1 alloy pipe, 1 grinder and 1 iron plate. For screw, RM6. For 2 bolts, RM3. 1 floor jack is RM100. 1 alloy pipe, RM46.90, and grinder RM190. Iron plate 77.90 cents, RM77.90, and total estimated cost is 423.80.
Individual design concept F2052. The first picture is a bottle jack. The second is a impact gun. The third is a crated adapter. Product 3, portable electric car jack. Use type bottle jack and support maximum 3 ton. Machine, use a battery or electric impact gun. Custom made, use iron plate as base, mill steel, flat bar as pole. Install bearing inside flat bar and make 1/4 hexagon hole, and install round alloy as handle. Material, the iron plate is a material that can be made by smelting iron or in a furnace. When smelt in a furnace for a second time, iron plate will transform into steel plate with a ratio of 5 iron plate per 1 steel plate. Mild steel is a ferrous metal made from iron and carbon. It is low price material with properties that are suitable for most general engineering applications. Low carbon mild steel has good magnetic property due to its high iron content. It is therefore defined as being ferromagnetic. Alloy metallic substance composed of two or more elements as either a compound or a solution. The components of alloy are ordinary tensile metal, tough carbon, a non-metal is an essential constituent of steel. Alloys are usually produced by melting the mixture ingredient. Tool and technology for fabrication. MIG anti-edge welding, used for welding iron plate to make a base, used for welding a flat bar and alloy. Grinder, used for cutting any steel. Tape and caliper, used to measure to cutting steel, used before drilling. Cordless drill, used for drill hole. Vise, used for hole to drill hole. Tool and technology for testing and expected result. Lifting test, use the project machine to lift the car up. Expected result, the car is lifted up smoothly without any problem. Save time. Project cost estimation table. Material and tool, screw and bolt to set. Grinder 1 pieces, iron plate 1 pieces, mild steel 1 pieces, impact gun 1 pieces, bearing 1 pieces, alloy pipe 1 pieces, hydraulic jet bottle 1 pieces. Total 302.6. Thank you. This is our group Gantt chart. Thank you.